Many of my friends have looked at my posts on what is to be the largest and best company hands down very soon. Onpassive. Yet what interests me is why they have not joined. There are a few reasons. They think it's fake. They think it's too good to be true. They think it's a pie in the sky. They think. I say they think because that's where it ends. No action is taken. If someone came to me, a person that is looking for a business that can offer time and financial freedom, I would turn that business inside out before I even considered joining. Then I would find out how much it is to get in. When I come to know a founder position is $97 and a refund for this amount is open always, I would join so I can see what is going on inside that I cannot see outside. Then after immense scrutiny I would decide to either get a refund, available 24/7, or join the journey to launch and beyond. That's me. An optimist, a positive thinker, someone that will keep trying till I drop. Thankfully my journey has ended at Onpassive. Why? Because I have studied everything there is to study about this amazing opportunity. I have left no stone unturned. I am fully up to date with what is going on. With all this done, I am now in a position to say I am proud, grateful, honored and blessed to be a founder. Because I understand what our incredible CEO is doing, has done, will do. Once you join as a founder, you are in a privileged position to reap rewards beyond imagination because what is on offer is endless. After launch you are given the following: a website, 50+ products, targeted traffic, a market of 4 billion+ customers, unlimited residual, passive income. All this is done with the latest AI technology. All this is done for you, hands-free, passive, no input from you, for a monthly fee of between $100 to $250, actual figure to be announced soon, which you pay just once out of pocket, the following months you pay from profit. Guaranteed. In other words, this is a total walk-away business solution. This is just a brief explanation. You are free to contact me for an in-depth analysis, or you can check my previous posts. What you must understand is this. This is happening. This is really happening. And you are not in. Can you really let an opportunity like this pass you by for just $97? Really? Is your why not big enough? Are you not serious about your financial future? Do you prefer to keep jumping from one scam to the other? Time is of the essence. Give this opportunity a chance to prove itself to you. It has already proven itself to over 470,000+ thus far. And thousands are joining daily. No one is left behind here. All will succeed. The business is structured this way. Founder positions will close soon. Give yourself a honest, genuine chance to finally succeed and give your family the future they so much deserve. Contact us today to get in. Written by Bobby Diraag, United Kingdom. Video by Bill Must Promotions.